Hello, we are going to talk about how you would create an annotated bibliography entry for an article. And I'm going to use this particular article as my example text, so make note of those details as you will need those later. One of the first things you need to understand about MLA, or Modern Language Association, documentation format is how you actually set up your paper. So if you look here, you can see the student has his name, his professor's name or instructor's name, the class, as well as the date. And then in the upper right-hand corner, you will see the way they have the page number formatted, which is last name, space, number. And this should be set up in a Word program using the header format. It should not be typed directly on the main page. It should be using the header format, and that will automatically place it and paginate as you create your document, so you will no longer need to worry about the page numbers. Note there is no title page in MLA, and note that the document is double-spaced. You should always do double-spaced unless instructed otherwise. This is what a works cited page would look like in MLA. This is the page that would be a part of your paper that provides the documentation of all the sources that you used in your paper. You notice how it's number 12. That means it's a part of the document, and it's the page 12 within the document. The text itself ended on page 11. The works cited page starts on page 12. The entries are alphabetized, and this is a very important thing. Note how it just says works cited at the top. It's not bolded, it's not underlined, there's no extra spaces between the title of the page and the beginning of the entries. Also note, the entries do not have extra spaces between them. They use hanging indents to set them across. That's a special format that's available in Word, and it will do it for you automatically. Once you set up one, and then as soon as you start hitting return, it will just automatically create a new hanging indent for the next entry. So you don't have to learn how to do this, you just need to be able to find it within Word.